Hi friends, if you're watching this, you are either a subscriber of my Fascia FLO newsletter or my Dreenaburton newsletter, or maybe you're in my community on social. So thank you for being out there and in my community. This message is about a change I'm implementing for my Fascia FLO membership. That is, you will no longer be able to just join at any time. Right now you can go online and join, and it's kind of open at any moment for new people to come in. And I'm changing that because with the growth of my site over the past 2 years, I want to make sure that new people have the best chance for success and great results with Fascia FLO because it works. And there's a lot of programs out there making big claims. You can count on Fascia FLO to help remove pain and stiffness in the body, bring more energy, bring more space, freedom, improve posture. These are real results. The only time it doesn't work is if you're not doing it. So I want to make sure that my new members and clients get these results. So what I'm going to be doing is, instead of having open registrations all the time, I'm going to be running free informational webinars from time to time. And if you would like to sign up to learn about Fascia FLO, try it in your body, get information, the free ebook, sign up through the link to join the waitlist for the next webinar. And if you have any questions before then, you can reach out to me at any time, and I'd be happy to discuss and give you more information. But I look forward to seeing you in the webinar and upcoming classes. It's exciting if you're interested. Be hopeful, be excited about the change that you can create in your body, and I will be here to support you. So if you're watching on social and you'd like to sign up for those webinars, comment FLO, FLO, and we'll send you the link for the sign up. And if you're watching this in email, you'll have the link straight in the email, okay? Thanks again, and perhaps we'll see you in the webinar soon. Take care.